Hey everyone, let's look at the review questions for chapter 14. I would recommend practicing questions where they ask you to calculate the M1 money supply and M2 money supply. So we have the formulas for M1 and M2. Just use those and these are pretty much straightforward. Now I want to go and take a look at questions 10, 11 and 12. So there is a formula that relates price to value. Here in question number 10 is telling me this asking us to find out the value of dollar in year 2. Because the price level is 1.25, the value will be equal to 1 over 1.25, and this is pretty straightforward. So it's gonna be 1 over 1.25. So this is the answer to this question. Same way you do question number 11. Question number 12 is a little bit complicated, so I'm going to go ahead and do question number 12. It says the price index increases from 200 to 250. What happens to the purchasing value of dollar? Alright, so we have price index here, the value here. The price index increases from 200 to 250. The value is equal to 1 over P. So the first one is 1 over 200. That is equal to 0.005. The next one is 1 over 250. That is 0.004. Looks like the value went down, so the answer will be a fall in value. Now to calculate the change in value, we just use the formula, which is the new minus old over old times 100. So this is equal to 0.004 minus 0.005 over 0.005 times 100. And we have our result as negative 20%. So it's gonna fall by 20%. Okay. So basically that's all we have here for this chapter 14.